All right, this is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth about weight loss and the facts of how to lose 5 to 10 pounds per week easily without exercise, starving yourself, cravings, or losing your mind. Stay tuned because what you're about to learn is the ultimate healthy way to lose weight quickly. You can probably forget everything you know about losing weight, calories, and fat. Slow carb, low carb, no carb, it all works, but good luck sticking with the plan. Constant hunger, cravings, and depriving your body of what it needs leads to temptation, and constant temptation leads to failure. Most of the information out there is wrong and it just doesn't work. Counting calories, low carb, and low fat has nothing to do with losing weight. You're actually robbing your body of exactly what it needs. What's important is the type of fats, the type of carbs, and the timing of your carb intake. That's it. Real simple. You can eat as many carbs as you want, as long as it's the right time. The key is having the right plan that you can easily stick with. In order to easily stick to the plan, your body must get what it needs. The plan must satisfy 4 things we need from our diet: nutrients, fuel, energy, and satisfaction. Satisfaction is extremely important because it's a basic need and critical for your happiness to easily achieve your goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, reclaim your sex life, regain focus, drastically improve your thinking, eliminate pain, feel 15 to 20 years younger, or just be super healthy, it works for everybody. It's simple and will change your life in every single aspect. What you put into your body is exactly what you get out of it, period. If you always eat and drink low performing products like fast food, soda, and 90% of everything at the store, that's exactly what you'll get from your body: low performance. We've mastered many years of knowledge and experience through trial and error proven methods. This works for everyone because it's based off the simple facts of how our bodies work. It doesn't matter if you have a low or high metabolism, work out on a regular basis, don't work out at all. None of it matters. We have developed a simple system created from years of research and experimentation into one simple summary. Your friends, family, colleagues, and everybody you know will be simply amazed by your rapid, complete transformation of your body and well-being. If you want to learn more, click the link below. Please don't forget to subscribe so we can continue to help everybody achieve their goals. Please leave a comment or a question. We'll do our best to answer everyone. Thank you for watching. Make 2020 your best year yet.